What's up guys, Dwight right here, and today I am outside because I need to do one thing, and I need to test out my drone. So my drone, I don't know what happened to it. My Mavic Air stopped working for a while, and then I got it repaired, and it cost me $275. Because one time I crashed it, but then it kept on flying after that, and then a year after, it just stopped working completely. So I got it repaired at Omnitech, and now I'm gonna see if it still flies. So I'm in, right now, a forest, so I am away from a lot of people, so please fly your drone responsibly, especially in Canada. And yeah, I'm way over 100 feet away from anybody. So for all those people that say, hey, you can't fly drones over people, this is for you. I just realized that I don't have the SD card in my drone, but thank goodness for the Mavic Air because it just has internal storage. And a flight, hopefully. It's flying! Alright, and take off! Alright, so looks like my drone works. Ugh. So was it worth $275 to repair this drone that I couldn't fly? Well, now I have an aerial camera again, so this is great for making those videos if I ever need this. Even though like drones have been like my highest expense for making videos, it's a great thing. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do that's cool today, so catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe if you want to see more content. I'm trying to make daily uploads this whole year, so that's a lot of work. And yeah, this is like the craziest New Year's resolution ever.